Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to share with you several fall decor DIYs. So I just love fall. Everything about it is just so cozy. My birthday's in October. My husband and I got married in October. And so I just love decorating for fall. I love Christmas too, but fall just has a special place in my heart. So in this series, I am going to call this I Love Fall, or if you guys have a better name for it, just comment and let me know. What do you think I should call my fall series? I want to share with you guys how I take my shabby chic cottage home and make it just a beautiful, cozy, autumn just place to everybody, can feel warm. They get home from school and the kids, and just, just somewhere where everybody can feel cozy. And so I do want to share with you guys some DIYs. One of them is this cute Hello Pumpkin mug that I did. A lot of these DIYs are from the Dollar Tree, so I want to make it super cute for you all and super inexpensive. So I want to share with you guys how I take some really inexpensive pieces from the Dollar Tree or Walmart or Michael's and really glam them up, and also incorporate shabby chic into the fall decor so it can match in with my home. So without further ado, let me show you guys some of these fall DIYs. Okay, to set the mood for our fall DIY decor session, we are going to start out with a little bit of pumpkin spice and cinnamon. I'm going to simmer that on my stove. That's just going to fill my house with that lovely fragrance of fall. And here are the fall DIY decor things that I'm going to show you. We're going to do a Dollar Tree pumpkin mug. I chose Hello Pumpkin for the saying, but you guys can go on Pinterest and find whatever saying you want for fall. And then we're going to do this cute little chalk painted pumpkin. Also this fabric pumpkin that you guys see. These super wonderful fall decor sunflowers that I glammed up. And then also this little ball jar covered in lace. Just comes out super cute. So these are all Dollar Tree items that we're just going to make awesome. So for the first fall DIY decor, we are going to do the Hello Pumpkin mug. So you just want to get a white mug from Dollar Tree and a Sharpie, and you're going to write whatever saying you want. I chose Hello Pumpkin. I thought that would be super cute to keep a nice hot cup of coffee or hot chocolate. And you're going to set your oven to 350 degrees. And once you get whatever you want on your mug, you're just going to pop your mug into the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and that will keep it good so you can wash your mug. And I think these are so cute to personalize, will be great for teacher gifts. So the next DIY is I'm going to mix up some homemade chalk paint. I'm just going to add a cup of white paint and then half a cup of baking soda, and then I just use a fork to mix this up really well. You want to mix it really well. It is going to be a little bit grainy, but guys, it's so inexpensive compared to expensive chalk paint. So I'm going to use this for a couple of projects. So I did a little bit of a larger mixing of it, so just give it a good mix, and then we'll start our fall pumpkin DIY. So this is just a really cute pumpkin that I found at Dollar Tree. I've actually had this for about 2 years. I think the glitter is cute, but this year I'm going with more of like a rustic shabby chic fall decor. So I want to paint this entire pumpkin white, and it ended up only needing about 1 coat, but you could definitely go back and do 2 coats. And I may decorate the top of him, but I just thought he turned out so super cute, all chalk painted up. And so I thought this was a really fun, easy one for our first DIY. So the next fall decor DIY we're going to do is we are going to chalk paint a sunflower. They have sunflowers at Dollar Tree, Walmart. I think I picked this one up last year at Walmart, but I've also done some Dollar Tree ones. So you just want to paint the back first. And I had so much paint on my gloves, it actually got some on the front, and then you want to paint the front really well. And then I let these sunflowers dry for about 2 days because I did use a lot of chalk paint on them. I only did 1 coat, but if you wanted them completely white, you could definitely do 2 coats. And I did try to go in between the leaves just to get it really coated really well. And then the next thing you want to do after you've let this dry, you want to take some Mod Podge, and I just wanted to go around all the center part of the sunflower, and then I'm going to add some glitter to that. I also picked up some glitter at Dollar Tree. They have packets that have different colors of golds and browns. For this I just wanted to use gold because I really wanted to glam it up, and so I just kind of dumped some gold glitter on there. And then in the center part of this, to make it really extra, I wanted to add these really pretty little pearl pieces. I saw that they had pearls at Dollar Tree, so look in your craft section. I already had a grouping of these pink and white pearls. I think that they were like $5 after the coupon at Michael's. But yeah, you could use like some glammy jewels or just whatever you want to use to glam up the center of your sunflower. So once your sunflower is all dry, take whatever vase of your choice, and I just added a little bit of styrofoam to the base of it, and then I had about 3 sets of these. They're kind of a cream colored Dollar Tree mums, so I glammed up about 3 sunflowers, and then I just want to make a really beautiful fall arrangement that's kind of shabby chic, rustic farmhouse type of style. And so I'm just adding in the sunflower first because they did get a little bit heavy with all the glammy jewels on them, and then around the sunflowers I just wanted to add these really pretty mums, and then I left one of the stems long on the top part of the sunflower so I could just make it really tall in the center and then keep adding those mums. So I really wanted this arrangement to be really full, so I just kept adding mums until I couldn't see any more green styrofoam. And then I also found these really pretty kind of goldish berries at Dollar Tree, and so this entire arrangement probably cost me about $5 or $6, and so I just added in a couple of berries and called it good. Now we're going to work on that fabric pumpkin that I showed you guys. So this is just a scrap piece of fabric. It's kind of a cream color and it's cut in a square, and so I just want to go along and glue one edge together, and then I want to glue another edge at the base together, and then we are going to use you can use a rubber band, a hair tie, whatever you need, and you're gonna rubber band the bottom edge that you glued together really well, and that's gonna hold your pumpkin stuffing in. So once you get your 2 edges glued together, you still want to leave one end open, and then you want to flip it inside out. And I just used the Dollar Tree sand. I used about half a bag of that, and you can use coffee beans or beans or whatever, but you want to create something that will kind of make the pumpkin sit flat. And then you want to take just some fabric or whatever extra that you have laying around to kind of fill up your pumpkin. I made this pumpkin. It ended up being about 4 or 5 inches tall, but you can go taller with it, you can go wider with it, just kind of by arranging your stuffing around. And then once you get your pumpkin all stuffed, you want to take some string or some ribbon and tie off the top, and then trim off any excess fabric, but you do want to leave about 1 inch or 2 of fabric at the top to make your stem. So I was really trying to decide what kind of stem I wanted, and so I just chose this burlap that I found at Dollar Tree, and I wrapped a small piece around and then glued it at the base and glued it at the top, and then trimmed off any edges. But you can really customize it however you want. I've done these all kinds of different ways. And so next, after I get done trimming off all the excess, I want to create some leaves. So I found this really pretty lace burlap, at Dollar Tree, and I also had this really cute ribbon. I believe I got this at Michael's. And if you guys wanted to see my Michael's haul, I'll link that down below. But so I just cut some leaves to go on either side of my pumpkin. I wanted to make it kind of glammy rustic. I didn't want to go super glam because this is going to be for the centerpiece on my table, and so I just felt like this came out really fun and super cute. But like I said before, you guys can customize this however you want it. I just thought this little pink and white gingham check was really cute with this little burlap and lace. And now you can see me I'm just adding some more bits and baubles from my craft stash, just to kind of cute it up a little bit more. So our next fall DIY, I just took a ball glass jar and I took an old piece of a curtain and I wrapped the curtain around the jar, and now I'm trimming off the excess, and then you're just going to glue down a strip of the curtain down one side of your jar and then around the base of it. And what we're creating here is just a really pretty kind of elegant little candle holder. I'm going to drop fake tea light candle down in this. They have those at Dollar Tree in 2 packs. I just wanted to create something really sweet and romantic that would go along with some of the other DIYs that I'm doing. This is super easy if you have a jar laying around and some lace or just some sweet shabby chic fabric. So I'm just trimming off the excess around the bottom of the jar, and then you can just kind of hot glue some of the little edges just so it can stay put, or you could probably even do this without hot gluing the base, but I wanted it to be a little bit more secure, so I just went ahead and hot glued the edges of these down. And then to tie in with my pumpkin, I just chose some of this burlap. I just wrapped it around the top, and then I think I'm going to look for maybe like a little bling jewel to put in the center part of this. I didn't really have anything that was the right size so for now I just wanted to use the burlap, and then it would also match in with the pumpkin. So I just thought that looked really cute, and I love these little tea lights that you get from Dollar Tree. I love to set the mood, especially for fall, with just some really sweet candle glow. So the next DIY I wanted to share with you guys, this also goes along with our glam sunflower look. I'm using some of the same ribbon that I used on my pumpkin to go ahead and cut leaves to add into these sunflowers. I just went every other one with the pink and white gingham and then also with the burlap, and you can see I'm just hand cutting these. This took a little bit of time, but if you guys have seen these really nice expensive sunflowers at Michael's or Hobby Lobby that are all glammed up, they're a little bit pricey, so I just thought that since I had painted some already that I would glam up some of these sunflowers to match in with my fall decor. I am going to use these glammy sunflowers in a wreath DIY that I'm going to show you guys in another video, but how cute is this? I just love how sweet these came out. I alternated with the pink and white and I just glued them in, and now I have some really cute custom glammy sunflowers. So here is the finished product of this lovely little glam, shabby chic, rustic farmhouse kind of little pumpkin. I think it turned out so super duper cute, and you guys, these are so easy to make with just some scrap fabric and some little bits and bobs that you might have in your craft stash. You can really customize them and really make them really beautiful and fun to match in with your decor. So I'm just really loving this little vignette that I've created. I'm so excited for fall. I just love the feeling of coziness and
just decorating for a new season, and I'm really excited with how these sunflowers came out. What a great way to repurpose and upcycle what you already have. I know I have a ton of fall decor that doesn't quite go in with my shabby chic theme for this year, so I'm really excited to share some more fall decor DIYs with you all, and just comment and let me know which one of these is your favorite. I would love to have you guys pop on over to my Instagram or Facebook and let me know what you guys have tried and what you liked, and share some photos with me. So I am just so excited for some more fall decor DIYs, and I cannot wait to share some more from this fall series with you guys.
Thank you all so much for watching. Comment and let me know what was your favorite fall DIY, and also I would love to see it if you guys make some of these fall decor DIYs, any painted pumpkins or florals. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a fall decor DIY wreath and just a bunch more fall decor. I also took you guys shopping last week at Michael's with me, so I'll link the shop with me at Michael's down below, and also some of my other DIYs. I'm so excited to share this fall series with you all. I think we should call it I Love Fall. I know many of you guys love fall, and so thank you all so much. I love all your comments. All of your support has just been so amazing. And also, if you guys have any requests on what you'd like to see, I'm going to definitely be painting some pumpkins pink and all of that good stuff. So thank you all so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Just hit that subscribe button and click the little bell, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.